when you embark on a machine learning project. What will success look? So you might be spending weeks, your team might be spending weeks, months, even longer working on a project. And without a clear definition of what success looks like, you'll be spinning around in circles in a never-ending cycle of more work, more features, more stuff, going down 100 different rabbit holes. So just right at the start, just define what success is going to look like. And typically, success will be measured by some metric that's directly, at least trying to relate to the business, and usually involves a combination of improving, maximizing, increasing, decreasing, mitigating, or reducing that metric that you guys are interested in. So to find out exactly what that is, you'll have to start asking some questions. For example, what's the business objective that you want to accomplish with the model? Do you want something that beats the current model in production? Are we creating models with the goal of increasing revenue in a specific way? Are we trying to increase traffic or trying to increase active users? These are just some examples of questions that you should be asking at the start, because once you clearly define the outcome you're trying to achieve and what success looks like, and ensure that those target outcomes are measurable and achievable, you'll find the whole process becomes a little bit less ambiguous. There's still going to be ambiguity there, but having these things clearly defined up front will make it easier to know when you should stop. So if you do this, you're going to be leaps and bounds closer to actually delivering business value. So you find that through this process of defining success, you'll more clearly articulate the problem statement, as well as ensure that you're expending time, energy, and resources on a problem that is actually worth. And for those of you working on a portfolio project, for example, maybe you're not in a business, maybe you're just working on a project just to develop your skills, just to gain some experience. Even if you aren't solving that particular business problem, it's important to define upfront what a successful project looks like, because it forces you to get into the habit of thinking things through and planning before you start to actually do things.